everyone, welcome back to The Enigmatic Girl. My name is Purva and I hope you guys are safe and sound at your places. Everything is going well. तो हर बार की तरह इस बार भी I am back with another video. This is another amazing and very great video जो कि आपको पूरी देखनी है because you will get something which is very healthy, which is very informative yet very good for your skin. So you guys know by now that Organic Harvest is one of my preferred or favorite brand when it comes to skincare. And now they have launched their new makeup range. Like, look at all these products. Ta-da! We have all the 4 amazing products and yep, I just love them. So this Korean heart goes entirely for these products. Let's try them one on one. This is their BB cream, okay, and this is their eyeliner. This is their lipstick. It is matte lipstick, so we are very excited to try this out. And this is their kajal. Let us start doing this review and let us apply these products one on one live. So chalo, let us start with this BB cream. Let us take this out. Now why I like this product, because it is infused with almond oil and vitamin C, plus it is very lightweight, it gives a full coverage, and it is non-greasy, it spreads evenly, moisturizes and whatnot. Let us try this out. I am so excited. Let us do. So this is the amount of BB cream I took out, and I think this would suffice for my skin. Let us see. Always start with small quantity, और अगर आपको लगे तो you can just add up things. Okay, so I love to blend it out like this. See, very closely it blends so well. Like, I have a few dark circles and you can clearly see कितने अच्छे से it just blends in. Oh my god, this looks amazing. I'm so excited. So what I like to do with my BB creams, foundation and everything, I apply it like this in a dotted manner all over my face, and then I blend it out like just a normal thing. So BB creams are usually very light and this blends so effortlessly, like wow. See, and you just have to blend it in a circular direction ताकि it doesn't creases out. So this is how I like to apply, and always do it in a round circular motion. तो BB cream आप अपनी fingers से भी blend कर सकते हो. This is a very close up thing and it doesn't require any brush, any beauty blender or any sorts of thing. I think this is pretty much good. What do you guys think? And it is perfect, like good. Let us try out the other products. Let us talk about this kajal. Now this is the blackest kajal. Look at this. Such intense pigment, one sweep shot, and that is how perfect it looks. Do you see? It is so good. Let us apply. I love to apply kajal only on my edges, not on the entire eyelid. And look at this difference. Like, you can clearly see I just applied it here and not here. And this is the perfect. Moving ahead with the eyeliner. Now सारे products जो भी हैं you see here, all the products are smudge proof, long lasting and doesn't have any chemical or such thing, जो कि like you can easily create thick and thin lines. I did here, and let us apply. I'll just apply it off. So मैंने eyeliner लगा लिया. Look at how beautiful it looks. Very great, very healthy. Let's talk of this moisture matte lipstick. And सबसे amazing बात, look at this packaging. It is just so cute. I mean, very cute. It's the kind of paper packaging which I feel. Let us talk about the shade now. Beautiful. It is kind of rusty brown shade kind of thing. And let us talk about the shade. Yep, the shade is brown sugar. I'll just apply it. This is how the shade look. और आप खुद देखो, the way I started this video and by the time I'm ending this video, मेरी look कितनी drastic change लग रही है. I can see it and I think you guys can also see it. It is very evident. Plus all these products are, you can see, toxin free, cruelty free, vegan, and all are made with love. Now this lipstick also had almond oil, जो कि इसे बहुत nourishing और healthy बनाता है for your lips, and it, you know, you don't need lip balm or, you know, any tougher lipstick जो कि आपके lips को dry out करे. I think this perfect lipstick because it is cute. First thing, it has a very great you know, packaging and everything. Plus all the products are made with love and are very great for your skin. There are organic harvest products I love because they are, you know, paraben free, silicone free. They are, it has immense moisture. चाहे foundation you know, BB cream की बात करो, काजल की करो या किसी भी चीज़ की, they have moisture, foundation and everything. So yeah, that's it, everything. And that is for this video. I'm leaving. For more, you know, discounts and everything, just check on the caption and you're good to go. Thank you.